In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in Slack. Lists are a simple way to track tasks, owners, and due dates right where your team already collaborates. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can get your first list up and running in minutes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and open the official Slack website. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace. If not, just sign in as you normally would. You can follow along in the web app or the desktop app. The experience is very similar. Once you're in Slack, choose any channel where you want your list to live. Picking the right channel helps everyone who needs to see the work stay aligned. For example, use your team's main channel for team-wide tasks, or a project channel if the list is specific to a single initiative. At the top of the channel, look for the plus or attach icon. Click it to open Slack's Composer options. From the menu that appears, select List. This opens the List Builder. Next, click Create New List to start fresh. Give your list a clear, descriptive name. Something like Weekly Team Tasks works great because it shows both the scope and the time frame. Consistent naming makes lists easier to find later and helps your team immediately understand what the list is for. Now add your first task. Keep task names short and action-oriented so owners know exactly what to do. For example, you might add Prepare Lesson Plan, Submit Attendance Report, or Review Student Outputs. Add as many tasks as you need. Each one should represent a single actionable item. For accountability, add an assignee to each task. Choose the teammate responsible for completing that item so everyone knows who owns what. Assigning tasks right in Slack means the owner can get notified and track progress without switching tools. You can also set a due date for each task. Pick a date that lines up with your team's timelines and expectations. Clear deadlines help avoid last-minute scrambles and make it easy to see what needs attention first. That's it. Slack automatically saves your list as you go. You can come back to this list anytime to add more tasks, adjust owners or dates, and keep your team aligned. With a clear title, concise tasks, assigned owners, and due dates, your Slack list becomes a reliable source of truth for getting work done together.